How to get more projects in Outlier AI. Now, in this video, I'm going to be providing you a couple of infos about getting more projects and using this platform, which is going to be Outlier AI. Now, the first place, it's going to be depending on your portfolio or your resume. So, say for example, the one that you set up for this account is only for coding expert, then all these opportunities that will show up on your recommendation will all just be that kind of field. Now, for you to be able to get more projects is consistently check your dashboard every few hours to catch tasks before they hit maximum capacity. And then you also need to prioritize completing onboardings quickly and maintaining high quality, accurate work to remain in good standing. Now, update your profile, and then you can play along with these filters right here and make sure that you do have at least 3 to 4 samples of the expertise that you will be adding into your account. So that's the most convenient way to get more projects in Outlier AI.